Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into question number 2 bit 1 from exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 called real numbers. So let's see what is given in question number 2 bit 1. So coming to the question number 2, it is given like write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question 1 which have terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so that means the question is asking us to write down the decimal expansion of the equations that are given in question 1 which are terminating. And let's see, and the given number is here. The first number that we are going to pick up is 13 by 3125. So let's see how we can solve this question. So coming to the solution, we are going to calculate here the decimal expansion of the below given rational number, and the number is 13 by 3125. And while examining this number in question number 1, we very well knew that this number is terminating rational number, and as a result its denominator is of the form 2 to the power n 5 to the power m. Guys, we are picking up the numbers which are terminating rational numbers. So we very well know that if a rational number is terminating, then definitely its denominator will be of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. These type of numbers are very easy to solve, as the denominator will be of the form 10, that means 2 into 5 and its multiples. If we divide or multiply any number with 10 or its multiples, we can verbally tell its result. For example, let's say if we multiply 10 with 4, verbally we can tell it is 40. If we multiply 4 into 1000, we can say 4000. Similarly, if we divide a number with 10, let's say 40 by 10, we can easily say that it is 4. Or if we divide a number with 4 by 10, then easily we can say that it is 0.4. That means verbally we can tell. So this is what we are going to do, and it would be very easy to solve this type of questions. Now let's move ahead. So let us now find the factors of the denominator, that is 3125. So that means we are very much interested to find the factors. Once we get the factors, then we can easily solve this question. So coming to the number 3125, it is divisible by 5, which is the least prime number that can be divisible. So 3125, after dividing with 5, we are getting 625. Now again 625 is divisible by 5. So dividing 625 with 5, we are getting 125. Now again dividing 125 with 5, we are getting 25. Now again dividing 25 with 5, we are getting 5. Now 5 is a prime number which is divisible by itself. So after dividing 5 with 5, we are getting 1. Now guys, as we got 1, now here our factorial stops. And now let's move ahead. So we can write 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 to the power 5. Now I can represent the equation like 13 by 3125, the given number, is equal to 13 by 5 to the power 5. Now guys, in order to make the denominator to the form 2 into 5, so what I will do, we already have 13 by 5 to the power 5. So what I will do, I will multiply 2 to the power 5 in the numerator as well as 2 to the power 5 in the denominator. Guys, if we multiply the same number in the numerator as well as in the denominator, the effect will be nil. So for that result, just I am multiplying the number in the numerator and denominator, so that I can get the equation in the denominator in the form 2 into 5. Now after multiplying 2 to the power 5 in the numerator and 2 to the power 5 in the denominator, I am getting 13 into 32 by 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So 32 means 2 to the power 5. If we solve 2 to the power 5, then we are getting 32. So that means our numerator became 13 into 32 by 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So further solving this, I got like 13 by 3125 is equal to 416 by 10 to the power 5. Now guys, I can write 416 by 10 means 1 lakh. 10 to the power 5 is nothing but 1 lakh. So looking at this number, a person can easily tell what it could be. So that is equal to 0.00416. Just putting the decimal numbers after 5 digits. So our number is 00416. Now guys, hence the decimal expansion of 13 by 3125 is 0.00416. This is what guys we can easily tell. Hope you understood this calculation. It is very easy. Still, if you have any questions or concerns, kindly write me in the comment section of the video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.